Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve the issue of Discord channels disappearing so you can return to your team chats immediately. Begin by launching Discord, either through the desktop application or your web browser. While Discord is a great place for communities, technical errors can sometimes hide your channels. Once the login screen appears, provide your account details. Start by typing the email address linked to your profile. Accuracy is vital here to ensure you gain access. Next, input your password carefully. Keep in mind that these are case-sensitive, so double-check your capital letters, digits, and symbols. If you are stuck, you can use the reset link, but our goal is to get you logged in quickly. After entering your info, press the login button to reach your Discord home dashboard. This main area is where you manage your servers, but it's also where you'll notice if something is missing. To proceed, make sure you are on the home view where your server list is visible. On the web, you can click the Discord icon at the top of the sidebar. Now, identify the specific server where the channels have vanished and click on it. Servers are the core of the platform, and missing channels within them can be annoying, but we are about to fix that. With the server selected, locate the Server Settings menu. If you aren't used to administrative tools, just look for the small gear icon situated right next to the server's name. Note that you need specific permissions to see this. If it's missing, you might need to ask a server administrator for assistance. Inside these settings, search for the toggle labeled Show All Channels. It might be hidden among other options, so look through the layout carefully. Selecting this option is the key to making those hidden channels visible again. Once you click Show All Channels, your missing chats should reappear instantly, restoring the full server experience. Channels are sometimes hidden due to specific roles or settings, and this toggle ensures you stay included in every discussion. Now you are back on track. Troubleshooting minor glitches is part of using any platform, but with the right steps, everything is manageable. Thank you for watching this tutorial on fixing Discord's display issues. I hope your channels are now fully visible. Stay tuned for more helpful digital tips. Whether you are gaming or organizing events, staying connected is essential. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments. Enjoy your chatting.